Hey, it's great to have you along here on WKYT. And this Halloween, the theater program at Transylvania University is presenting 6 new plays featuring monster characters inspired by folkloric creatures. And here to tell us more about Beware, Wolf, and Other Nightmares, theater director Michael Dixon, he's there on your right, student actor Brendan Bivens, and student designer Stephanie Robinson there in the middle. Thanks for coming. We appreciate it very much just before curtain time. Why is Transylvania pulling this off?
You know, monsters show up in films, they show up in fiction, they show up in video games. They don't show up in the theater usually, so we decided to fix that problem and commission some plays and produce them. And so we have monsters from around the world on our stage for the next 2 weekends.
And Stephanie, this is no easy task to get people ready to perform on that stage, right? Sometimes it's quite a challenge to get those actors ready.
Right, but we always pull it together right in time. Brendan actually takes about 2 hours to get into his costume, and each different character has their own team behind them. We have like people getting on their makeup every night, doing arms with scales, and then he has to get into his suit and put on silicone masks. It's really cool.
Is this what you thought you would be doing in college?
I never thought that I would be doing things like this. I never thought that I would have the opportunity to do something this cool, but I'm really glad that I got the opportunity.
And Brendan, you go off to college and become a monster. Your folks must be so proud.
Oh yeah, I bet they're absolutely happy with my direction. Yeah.
Tell us about how much fun you have out there being that monster that you really have to get into a character for.
It's a lot of fun. You change a lot of your personality when you get into the costume and you grow to adapt to become this monster, and living off the fear of the audience and the crowd, and they don't know what I'm going to do. I don't even really exactly know what I'm going to do until I see how they react.
Is this monster all totally evil, or is there a softer side? Or
I think he likes to let you think that he's a little weaker, a little less likely to get you than you really think he is. And
but don't try him. Right?
Yeah, don't try him, exactly.
All right. You must be very proud, certainly, of your students that are taking part. This is hard work.
Yeah, it's hard work, and nobody's ever done it before, really. Monsters don't talk, right? So they have to tell a story both physically and verbally, and they do a great job.
Well, get to know the monsters. Beware, Wolf, and Other Nightmares tonight and tomorrow, and also November 5th through 8th. So they have lots of performances, and you can check it out at the Little Theater at Transylvania University. $10 gets you in the door for that. Thanks so much for coming.
Thank you.
Thank you.